Welcome to this course in which you will learn a lot about the facts of the past, the facts of your childhood, the facts in the history of your family which influence right now your life and your happiness. My name is Berthold Ulsamer and you can hear my accent. I'm a German, I do this course in Germany. And I hope you will accept or tolerate at least my German accent. I did a lot in the last 20 years about these influences of the past with the present life. And I'm very glad that you are interested in this subject, and I bet you will learn a lot about possible connections in your life and in the life of others. Welcome to this course. I'm happy that you come and are with me.